In this presentation, I'm going to show you three main autoresponders you can choose from to build your email list. They are MailChimp, Aweber, and GetResponse. Having a reliable autoresponder is key to building your email list so that you can build a relationship with the subscribers who join that list, which can eventually lead to them purchasing your offers. You'll learn about each of these three top autoresponder companies and some of the features each provides. MailChimp was founded in 2001, but in 2017 it's the world's leading email marketing platform, sending over 1 billion emails a day on behalf of its 12 million customers. Signing up to MailChimp is very easy. You can even sign up to a free account for an unlimited time frame, which you can't do with either Aweber or GetResponse. The free account does come with restrictions in regards to how many subscribers you can have and how many messages you can send, but you can try out the service for an unlimited period of time to get accustomed to it. Their dashboard is crystal clear when it comes to the calls of action you want to create, such as create a campaign, create a list, verify a domain, etc. There are helpful Learn More prompts for each section to gain more information on how to use them, plus a useful Getting Started guide you can download. Aweber was founded in 1998. In 2017, it's used by 120,000 small businesses, entrepreneurs and bloggers all over the world. Aweber allows you a 30-day free trial when you enter in your name, address and credit card information, to ensure that your service continues to run smoothly after the free trial is over. They provide a helpful video that introduces you to the basic concept of email marketing and how to get started using their services, including setting up your account, creating your first list, and customizing your confirmation email. GetResponse was founded in 1998. In 2017, GetResponse serves more than 350,000 customers from 182 different countries. Plus, the service is available in 21 different languages. GetResponse, like Aweber, asks for your personal details up front, but unlike Aweber, don't ask for your credit card details when signing up for their 30-day free trial, contacting you instead near the end of the trial to set up payments. GetResponse provides three main messaging types: newsletters, autoresponders, and RSS to email. They also provide two main ways to create messages, via their drag-and-drop email editor and via an HTML source editor.